Welcome to Costa Rica.
Just wanna be free to be me, giving good vibes. No stress, no negative mess in my life, Just wanna be free to be me, giving good vibes. No stress, no negative mess in my life.
Landed in Costa Rica. It's supposed to be San Jose. Well, La Huela is the place where we actually landed. Have a 3-hour drive from La Huela, which is outside of San Jose, to get to the jungle. Everywhere you stop, everywhere you look, they have these fresh markets, like strawberries and everything, just like fresh fruit, pineapple. Everything is fresh. How much strawberries? Dos?
2,000.
These waterfalls are all over. Can't just be the regular tourist. I have to go behind the waterfall if I can. The power, you can just hear it, of all that water. Costa Rica, La Fortuna, and I'm about to go hike up an active volcano. This volcano is the Arenal volcano. This volcano, they didn't know it was a volcano until 1968 when it erupted. Before that, they just thought it was a hill. Since this is an active volcano, those clouds on top, that's water vapor. So it's steam coming from the mountain, steam coming from the volcano, and it's just the water vapor makes a cloud. Before 1968, people used to live up there, live in the crater or at the base of the mountain, and they didn't believe it was a volcano. About 22 days before, it was just constant earthquakes and stuff. And then one of the things that they said that let them know that it was an active volcano, the water here used to be cold in the rivers. But the water started to get hot. And then about 10 years later, it erupted. Going up. Still going up. Wow.
own food, you know. They don't eat the leaves. They use them to grow something else, which is a fungus, and they feed on the fungus.
Cool.
So those ants are taking the leaves to their nest. They have a special chambers. A different class of ants gonna clean the leaves, arrange them carefully. Then the ants are gonna spread spore around like seeds and let a fungus grow. And that's gonna be their own food.
Now we're taking a hike through a jungle.
Another one.
Howler monkeys. Finally got some quiet. This is what a real jungle sounds like. It's actually quiet. You can hear things that are far away, but sound like they're close. That's a pineapple. Pineapple, I just learned that pineapples take 1 to 2 years to mature before it's ready to be harvested. I had my first fresh pineapple here this morning, or today. When I mean fresh, I don't mean live in Oklahoma where a pineapple has been on the truck for 3 or 4 or 5 days and then in the supermarket for a week or something like that. I mean fresh right off the tree, fresh. It tastes different. It tastes so much better than what we get in the grocery stores. I am about to go swim in well, it's not my first waterfall, but this is about to be the biggest waterfall. Now you can hear it all the way from here. Have to go down 500 steps to get there, and then we get to swim in it. That won't be the hard part. The hard part will be walking back up 500 steps. It's cold. Oh, we're going the wrong way. That undertow is crazy. Like, I started swimming from over there. On the other side of that guy, swam back. I'm over here. Tired. Went from a jungle to a waterfall. Now I'm in a rainforest here in Costa Rica. I'm glad I brought my rain jacket because I need it. It rains, not every day, but it rains a lot. Like a shower, like a few minutes, or I'd say a few minutes, but just a little bit every day. On this tour, couldn't get the money back, so take the tour in the rain. It sounds just like you think it would sound. Rain, actually peaceful. Starting to rain harder. Raining harder. All right, thanks.
Look, I can smell wild pig.
Is that the wild pig?
Yeah.
Is that what I smell?
Close. Yeah, I can't smell them.
He said he smells them.
Oh, really? I smell wild pig.
I smell something.
That's a strong. They just come in here.
Well, the wild pigs in Oklahoma aren't friendly, so I don't have to see them. So this isn't the tallest one.
No.
This is the second to tallest
Second
one?
tallest.
Second tallest. How tall is this one right here
This
that we're
one
on?
is 47 meters.
47 meters.
And
Okay.
The highest one is gonna be 60 meters.
60, 47 and 60. I'm gonna have to do my math for feet. This tree is huge. This is the third bridge, which is the highest bridge. 40 something, no, 60 something meters. Oye, ¿qué pasó? Where you go? There you are. It's on video. Thank you. Poisonous dart frog.
That's a blue jean.
Sorry, yes. blue jean frog. Red head and body, blue feet. Poisonous.
So you knew he was there before.
A jaguar.
That's a jaguar? Boy, I'm about to be like, hey, it's time to go.
No, that's a howler monkey. What are you saying around here?
All right, so this is a what?
Eyelash palm-pit viper snake. You see it?
Yeah.
That's a juvenile.
Eyelash what?
Eyelash palm-pit viper.
Palm pit?
Palm-pit viper.
Eyelash palm pit viper. Poisonous frogs, vipers, howler monkeys. It's like they're saying, welcome. Welcome to Costa Rica. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay. You got me? All right. They got me let go of this thing.